So we're going to be graphing this hyperbola, and we can tell from looking at the format which direction it's going to open. Because we have y minus 3 squared over 4 and we're subtracting the x plus 2 squared over 16, we know that the the hyperbola is going to go open up and down. Now, based on the equation, we can see that the center is at -2, 3. So we have -2, 3. Now, the y radius is a real radius here. It's going to give us actual points on the hyperbola. We can go up to and down to be able to find those vertices. Then the other thing we need to be able to graph are our asymptotes. The slope of the asymptotes are always plus or minus b over a, where b is the y-axis, the y radius, and a is the x radius. So it's plus or minus 2/4, or plus or minus 1/2. Since we go through the center, the asymptotes have the equation y minus y of the center equals the slope times x minus the x of the point. So from this x radius being 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, we can create this box which corners go through the asymptotes. So these asymptotes have a slope of -1/2 coming through both this way and this way. We know it opens up and down, so we can keep coming closer and closer to the asymptotes. On this side as well. That one's not the best one. And so this green graph is our hyperbola.